Not afford to give up if it was finance. They didn't.
All right, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to be deleting the thermostat in the 6L80 on the 14 Silverado. So forgive me, I already got this. I wasn't originally going to make a video for this, but I already got the thermostat housing off the transmission. It's just on the driver's side. Sits about like that. This snap ring sits on top of the thermostat housing. There's this brass fitting and this spring. That is how, from bottom to top, how it comes out of there. Fairly simple. Now my truck is a four-wheel drive. I was able just to unscrew the bottom fitting. This one I had to, they have these little C-clips right there. I was able just to pull that clip out. I couldn't, with mine being four-wheel drive, I couldn't get a wrench up without removing the front drive shaft, and I'm lazy. So this is the thermostat delete kit that I'm doing. When you open it up, be careful. It does have a little like check ball that will go rolling. Spring, two larger O-rings, a smaller O-ring. And then there's the aluminum hardware, or it might be stainless steel, I'm not positive. Either way. So I'm going to get this all put together and I'll film throwing it into the housing and we'll throw it back in the truck. All right, and that's really all there is. You throw it back on the truck, and with this, the original thermostat keeps your transmission temperatures around like 185, 190. I've been doing a lot of towing in the hills lately, so I've seen some like 205, 210, 215, even on the hot or warmer days that we're starting to have. So with me towing, I wanted to get this thrown in real quick. And I'm also putting a magnetic drain plug in the transmission. So with that, we're going to get thrown in, and that's all there is to it, really. So I'll try to find a link to leave in the description if you want to buy the kit. Otherwise, definitely recommend, especially if you do towing.